everyone, today we follow along with the last video I had. Thanks for joining me again. Today I'm going to basically go for the supplier, find a supplier, place an order, and we also going to calculate our profit after all the cost and shipping to make sure the item we chose is the right item. So I put that tennis elbow brace uh, in the junk in actually Amazon. We are tracking it now just to see the reviews and competition. So in this page, as you can see, buy price. We're just gonna go on by clicking on it. It'll take you to Alibaba, and then we're gonna find out how much we can buy this item, and then we can calculate the profitability. So that's a really good features in Amazon because it automatically goes and finds a keyword we had and then search for the item. So this is the one we actually look for. It's pretty similar. So it's about $2. So we will say, to be safe, we put $3. So we put $3. Of course, there is shipping that we're gonna have to add it in the next page. So let's amaze out to basically add it to the system. Then we can go and check the prices and contact supplier for the for this product. Contacting supplier is not difficult. You just click on that item, and then it'll take you to the supplier's homepage or contact information. But first, let's see how much profit we have after placing an order, after all the cost and shipping, and of course Amazon FBA fees as well. It's still loading. It's gonna refresh. So as you can see now, the price is showing at $3.79. So we click to load for the net profit. Here is taking us to the page that is Amazon calculator, and the item is selling for $23. Our cost is $3.79. The fees, everything after all the fees, we basically making $9.81, and it's almost 42% ROI, so which is really I would say that's a good profit margin. So I would go ahead with this order because we notice it's a good profit margin, 42%. Just gonna see if I can save it. Calculate. Yeah, save. So $9.81, and we would consider at least $1 for marketing or PPC. That way we have some money aside for that cost that we're gonna be facing in future. So yeah, everything is now populated here. So $9.81 is our profit. The sales is not the best sales, but you know what, it's just a start. I see the profit is good. Ease of entry, that tells me how competitive is the item, product. So the reviews median is 14, so we can always by PPC beat that. So far so good. So we're gonna go ahead in Alibaba. I don't want to use Amazon for ordering. To find a supplier, I'm just gonna go on Alibaba and find exactly the company that we already seen in Amazon, and then go ahead and place an order. Here is the contact. I actually have pre-loaded text. There is an app, and that I am using it. It's already loading my question and what I'm looking for, and I don't have to type it again. So as you can see, it's all, and then I go ahead and send the inquiry, and that's it. Now we're gonna be waiting for their email and see their how long it's gonna take the item to get shipped and what are the actual fees after shipping and handling. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. This was the second video for FBA, Amazon FBA product research and business. We are starting from scratch, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you do so, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will post our third days of product research and actually the product ordering in the next video, and we go from there. So until